In this module, we will discuss how to install Cisco Packet Tracer. Log into the NetApp platform with the Cisco portal, sign in with your Gmail ID or with your college or your corporate ID, and search for the packet tracer. You'll land this page and download the latest version. So the current version is 8.2.1. Download the latest version separately. It's getting installing. And it's the PDF or no, it doesn't matter. Boom. It's getting installed and double click. They usually do last the login credentials. I'm just going to give me login. And if you click the networking programming, it will ask to log in with your username and password which you created for the downloading. Then get logged in with your username and password. I'm going to give my username and the password. Right there, I got logged into the packet tracer. Go to the preference and click place on. It will help you. I can able to get the sound from this. It is getting the powering off. The stereo device is still booting up. So this concludes how to download the packet tester and get the installed. Once it gets installed, you need to log in with your credentials. For any trainings, please contact us.